Hello friend, this is Paper Kitty. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. So glad that you're here today. Hope you crafty kitties are doing awesome. So excited to share these Kokorosa dies with you today. Very excited. So let's see what's in here. I haven't peeked in yet, but I did go ahead and open this for us. So let's see what we got. Okay, so the first one I got is this little envelope set. And now these are little bitty envelopes. They're not like teeny tiny like the ones that you get in the punches. But it is a small die for that. And then there's like some flowers that are supposed to kind of be popping out of the envelope. So I think that's going to be really fun and cute to work with. I'm excited about that. So I will be working with that. The next one, I've got this little bitty, it looks like a birthday with bows in it. Let's see what it is. The tiny little bag. Okay, so yeah, it looks like it's a little cake, and then it's got this pretty little flat bow, which I kind of like because sometimes in my projects I love dimensional bows, but I can't always use them like that. And then this is I think the die for, if you want to have some candles, and like this is the little wick right here. It's really tiny, but it's like a little set here, so that's fun. And then let's check this one out. Okay, these are the butterflies. It's just really cute. I love it. I think I could maybe make something really fun with that. And again, I'm happy that it's flat because I'm working on some journals, or at least on one of them for sure, that I'm kind of thinking about using this. So it'll be fun to see how I use that. And then last but not least, I got another flower die. And this set looks like that. And I am very excited to work with it. We'll be putting all the links in the information box below, as well as their website. So be sure and check that out here in the information box below this video. But yeah, so be sure also and give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and on that subscribe button so that you could be a subscriber. Also hit the notification bell and make sure that you set it on all so that you will get my videos, because otherwise the way YouTube is doing it is if you don't hit all, you're not gonna, there's a good chance you won't get the video. And I do want you to be able to see what I do with these because I think it'll be fun. So thank you guys for watching. Love you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye now.